During blue hour, the light changes quickly and you don't yet know which quality of light or which time of blue hour will yield the best photos. Hello and welcome to my photo editing masterclass. I'm Michael, a landscape photographer from Germany, and in the next 100 minutes I show you my complete photo editing workflow. So start shooting early and shoot throughout blue hour to capture the different qualities of light and the transition. We'll cover a few topics. First of all, I want to give you some general blue hour photography tips, and then we're going to jump into Lightroom, where I show you how I do the image selection and preparation. I'm going to talk about the creative editing process with presets in Lightroom, and those presets, they will be included in the tutorial. When we head into Photoshop, I show you the basics, so how to use different tools, filters, destructive and non-destructive workflows, how to create different types of masks and selections, everything you need to follow along when I do later the focus stacking in Photoshop, selective image transformations, or advanced retouching. For the advanced retouching, we're also going to look at some of the new generative AI tools in Photoshop, and it's quite astounding what you can do with those. Then I show you how to do contrast and color adjustments in Photoshop, and finally we prepare the image for web.